Hi everyone. It is the first week of March already. Can you believe winter's almost over? I'm planting up a spring planter that I picked up at HomeGoods for only $28, and I'm going to be using stock, sweet potato vine, some Johnny Jump Ups, that's their nickname, they're Violas, and Dusty Miller. And we're in that weird transition right now where just the other day it was 28 degrees overnight, and I know for the most part that's not very cold for you guys, but for us it's a little chilly. And in a couple of days it's going to be 82 degrees. So March and April can be that time of the year where you can have a few days where it's super cold and a few days where you get temperatures that are higher than normal. So this will tide me over until it starts reaching 90 and 100 degrees, and I'm going to get started. Forgot to let you know that this is 30-inch. This is a 30-inch cocoa liner, and I just want to make sure you knew that before I got too much further. And I always use recipe 420 for my potting soil. So let me go through the plants real quick. I think I did that, but I'm going to do it again. So if you notice, these came in really small, the way they packed them, they were real slender plants. So I was able to get a lot out of them. At first glance, it looks like it's just one plant. So I was able to separate them. So depending upon where I place the planter, it'll look nice all the way around. So I have on the outside the Violas, the Johnny Jump Ups. Off to the side, a little bit of Dusty Miller, the purple stock. In between, I just repeated the pattern. And then right in the middle, I have that sweet potato vine. And what'll happen is eventually it'll begin to spill on over. So that's it. And I'll probably place it, move the fern, and maybe put this planter right underneath the butterfly. And it'll get some morning sun until about 1 o'clock. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.